So this is question number 12 of the JAMB 2020 mathematics question. So we're told that the figure below, which is this figure, the figure below, in the figure below we should find the angle RTP. So they want us to find this angle. And if you are so conversant with your angles, you know your corresponding angles, you know your alternating angles, you know your supplementary angles, you are good and fine. So when we are dealing with alternating angle, we should look for a shape that resembles an AZ, so that here will be equals to here, or if it's the other way around, we have here equals to here. And when we're looking for a corresponding angle, we have to be focused for a shape that looks like F. Anyway, anyhow it may be, we must look for a shape like this. That is, here will be equals to here, here will be equals to here, here equals to here, and here will be what equals to here. So these are what corresponding and alternating angle are. So therefore, if here is 85, that means here also is 85 degrees. And remember, our opposite angles are what equal. So opposite angles are equal. So if here is 85, therefore here is 85 degrees. You agree with me? So we have found the angles here, we have found the angles here. So we can find the angles here and the angles here. Now, to find the angles here, because this is a straight line, and sum of angle on a straight line, sum of angle on a straight line is equals to what? 180 degree. So if here is 85, let here be x. So therefore, x now will be 180 degree minus 85 degree. So x will give us 180 minus 85. So x will give us what? 95 degree. So therefore, the angle here what? 95 degree. So we will find angles here, angles here, angles here. So we have to find angles here. So to find angles here, we must find angles what? Here. So is angle about a point. So remember, sum of angles on a point is equals to 360 degree. So we have, let's call this y. So we have y plus 85 plus 95 plus 85 is equals to 360 degree. So that leaves us with y is equals to 360 minus 85 plus 95 plus 85. So we have 360 minus, when we sum all this up, we have 265 degrees. Don't forget, these are degrees. So 360 minus 265 will give us what? 95 degrees. So we have y is equals to 95 degrees. So that means here is equals to 95 degrees. So we have found the angles here, 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 and here. Now to find angle C, remember that this is a triangle, and sum of angle in a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So angle on T plus 30 degree plus 95 degree all equals to what? 180 degree. So to find the angle on T is equals to 180 degree minus 95 plus 9 and plus 30 degree. So we have 180 degree minus 125 so degrees. So therefore the angle on T is equals to 55 degree. So this is our answer.